Hey there, savvy shoppers and credit card enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your financial life a breeze. Today's video is all about how to check your Rakuten credit card balance in 2025. With Rakuten's user-friendly platform getting even more advanced, staying on top of your balance has never been easier. Whether you're earning cash back on your everyday purchases or just want to keep an eye on your spending, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. First things first, let's talk about the quickest method, using the Rakuten app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, head to your app store and search for Rakuten Card. Once installed, open the app and log in with your username and password. You'll land on the dashboard, where you can simply tap on the Balance or Account Summary section. Boom! Your current balance, along with recent transactions, will pop right up. It's super intuitive and works offline for basic views, perfect for when you're on the go. If you prefer the web version, fire up your browser and go to the official Rakuten website. Navigate to the login page, enter your credentials, and once you're in, look for the My Account tab. Click on that, and you'll find your balance displayed prominently. Pro tip: enable two-factor authentication for added security, especially in 2025 when cyber threats are more sophisticated. For those who aren't tech-savvy or need immediate assistance, you can always call Rakuten's customer service. Dial the number on the back of your card, follow the prompts, and speak to a representative who can verbally confirm your balance. Remember, this method might take a few minutes, so have your card details handy. One more thing. Always double-check for any updates to the app or website, as Rakuten might roll out new features in 2025. If you run into any issues, like login problems, reset your password through the Forgot Password option. There you have it, folks. Checking your Rakuten credit card balance is straightforward and empowers you to manage your finances like a pro. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Stay smart with your spending.